Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Walgreens cheap deals this week from 10/19 to 10/25. Okay. Now, first time we walk in here, go to the little kiosk, this little bench right here, and pick up your deals of the week. Usually, I told you, if it's black and white, somebody printed it, but if it's colored, it was done in photography. Okay. Point taken. Now, we're going to first earn some registered rewards to help us out, okay? We're going to pick up one Colgate toothpaste. Always hit your little scan code bar. Scan the barcode. And as you can see there, $4.50. And it says we have a $2 coupon. Whenever you see that plus sign, hit it to turn it green, okay? And then open it up and hit detail. You're going to see what product attaches to it. So it was $4.99. It's on sale for $4.50. Now, when you buy two, you will receive a $4 register reward. The key word in there is buy. That means you can use Walgreens cash, and I do plan on using Walgreens cash, guys, okay? Don't not use your cash. Now, we're going to come right down here because I saw I needed mouthwash. I'm going to pick up the Colgate Optic White. There's a couple back there hidden. They are originally $6.99, on sale for $4.50. Same deal. Buy two, you will receive a $4 registered reward. So I'm going to grab those two right there. Let's scan it to see what kind of coupon is attaching to it. And it also gave us a $2 coupon. Now, whenever you see that, tap the plus sign, turn it green. It's going to turn to a check. Then you're going to open it up. This app is going out in here. There's a $2. Make sure your product attaches to that $2 coupon, guys. Because if it does not, I guarantee you're going to have an issue with it. Now, you don't have to get the mouthwash and the toothpaste. You also can get a toothbrush if you want to. You could alternate though between a couple of items in here that deals with Colgate, and it is the same exact deal. But let's scan to see if that has a coupon attached to it. And it is $4. Or no, it does have a coupon. Let me show. Okay, there it is. It popped up, guys. I had to rescan it all over again. Okay, open up. Now see that $2, it does attach to the mouthwash and the toothbrush. So be careful. I would do the toothbrush, the mouthwash, and the toothpaste. Now we're going to do $4.50 times 2, take us to $9. We have those two $2 coupons. Take both off, leave us at $5. I plan on using $5 in Walgreens cash because that is a buy deal. All right. If you use that, then you have $1 left, 50 cents each. All right. That's what you can do. I have $24.05 left. Okay. So that's what a $5 come in at. I am definitely going to use some Walgreens cash to clear that out. And I'll probably pay just taxes out of pocket for that. All right. And receive $4 in register reward. Now, it is some great $1.99 deals. The gain is on sale for $1.99. So we're going to pick up one gain. And don't forget the Purex. Now, this is a 29 count. That one is a 38 count load. See that one? Get the one that you'll get the most for your buck. And they originally $9.29. They're on sale for $1.99. So you're saving $7. Okay, scan it because we want a coupon. If not, let's see what they got going on right here. You can do it online and earn a 15 or 20% off if you spend a certain amount. Okay, so that's $7 plus the $4 reward that I'll earn. It'll be $11. And we're going to start subtracting the deals we have. $1.99, $1.99. That's $7.02 that I'll have left, okay? Now, I might pick up one more Purex. I think I will because I usually do the pods. That's why. And they don't have any. See that? Shelf cleared instantly. That's a great deal. That's why the pods is even a better deal than the liquids, all right? So let's do the $1.99. And we should take that $1.99 off 3 times because we picked up 2 Purexes and a gain. So now we're at $5.03 left. I also want to pick up some trash bags. These little counts, they're $1.99. Guys, they work fantastic. Do not underestimate these bags. They're $1.99, originally $5.99, and it's 18 for the 6 to 8 gallons. So I'm gonna add that on. Now, I do need tissue. Okay, I do need tissue, and I could have did all tissue and just not done the other things. So when we take that other $1.99, I'm at $3.04 left. Now the tissue and the paper towel is 2 for $7.50 with Scott. All right, they gave us a $1 coupon, and I didn't get one for the paper towel. I thought I would, but I didn't get one. I think I used it last week. So 304 plus 650, I need to pay an extra $3.46 out of pocket. Okay, we're gonna keep that deal going, but let me see. I need the paper towel and the tissue. This is how my cart looks. I have a Scott tissue, a paper towel, and then in there I also have the 2 Purexes at $1.99, the 2 Colgates. They gave me the $4 register reward, the game for $1.99, and the trash bags. Now I found some clearance things, guys. Let's go look at them because some of them made out for a good deal. These clearance finds, they start putting them on these little racks now. They used to have them on a shelf, but now on a rack, which is okay, I guess. Some of the stuff you kind of miss it at times, but some of it is $2.89 for the flips. Then the taffy candies they have on sale now. They also have all of the clear blue, any pregnancy stuff. The Office. My sister makes those coasters and sell them during the holidays, and they sell out, and they 93 cents. So I'm going to grab her a couple of boxes of these so that she can do some coasters and make some extra cash because we DIY it when we can. There's the Office, Friends, and I believe it's one more different one back there, Seinfeld. So I'll grab those 3 at 93 cents each. So I ran my tab up way over $7 that I want to stay at, okay? 93 cents each. Then I found this little cable connector for the computer for 80 cents. I always grab those because trust me, we run out of something and we need it, all right? Then they have a lot of like the nutritional bars are on sale. The Belvita bars are on sale. Those are clearance out also. So go and look, guys, because you want to make sure that you have some snacks to snack on, okay? So those are, look at that. Some of them are $2.99, some $2.39. Their Belvita was $4. Then they have a couple of the peanuts on sale, and I like to show you guys these. So make sure you look at clearances, guys. I always find an awesome clearance down up in here when I'm looking, okay? You have to look in Walgreens because the orange tag stands out, though. So just make sure you look. Now, let's look at the receipt and see how we did. Okay, so $4.50 for each one. The $2 coupons for the Colgate came off. My subtotal was $5. Sales tax was 90 cents. So it took me to $5.90. I did use $5 in rewards. So I only paid sales tax for the 2 Colgates. I paid 90 cents in sales tax, okay? Now, let's get to our next one. This is going to have the deal, and the $4 was on there, guys, from the register reward. That said manufacturer, $4. That was the $4 register reward on that I used for the next deal. Now, this is all the Walgreens that you saw in the cart. I put it on one deal. I actually made 3 transactions because I bought a big skeleton, but there's the manufacturer coupon. You see it at $4 right there. So my subtotal came up to $15. Taxes was $1.91. Total was $16.96 out of pocket. I did redeem $10 in rewards left. I paid $6.96 out of pocket, guys. So I did go over, like I told you, by about $5 because I picked up the clearance items. But without picking up the clearance items, you should have done great. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.